Hi guys, I am back from my weekend getaway to Atlanta. So today we have a double unboxing. Before we get started with the unboxings, I just wanted to tell you guys that I know I promised you a shopping vlog, but I was unsuccessful. I'm so sorry. It takes up so much effort and so much time to do that, and I did start it, but I noticed that it was taking a lot of attention and time away from my husband, and the purpose of our getaway was just to spend some quality time together. So in the future, or hopefully near future, I will do a shopping vlog for you, but we have a double unboxing. I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. Also, I would like to say, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Yota. I'm thrilled to have you here today, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. And if you are a regular, welcome back, guys. I love you guys all so much. And before we get started, let me show you my bag of the day. This is the bag of the day, or the bag of the weekend. I carried my Chanel reissue in the 227 size. I wanted to carry something that was non-cumbersome, something that was lightweight, and the thing that I love most about this bag is that you can dress it up or dress it down, and it's so comfortable. Even with the chain straps, it's so comfortable. I don't even realize that I have it on my shoulder. So this is just a fabulous bag, and this is the bag that I carried all weekend. Let's get into the unboxing. Okay, I am going to start out with this Fendi. You guys, this is such a surprise to me because I knew that we were going to Phipps Plaza and they have fabulous shopping there, and I thought I might get a belt. And so this is a bag that I just was not expecting to see or to find. I have looked at this bag online, I would say probably 2 to 3 months now, and you cannot find it anywhere. I found it one place, and it is on the website called Farfetch. If you are familiar with that website, that is the only place that I have ever found this bag to be available. So I had quite the shock when I walked into Fendi at Phipps Plaza and saw this sitting on the shelf. So even though this bag comes as quite a surprise to me, it was not a impulse buy, because I have wanted this bag. I have lusted after this bag and looked for this bag online for months. And I will give you a hint. Those of you that watch my channel know that I have been looking for a red bag. Okay, are you guys ready to see what I got? I am so excited because this is a true unboxing. I have not unboxed this, and I have not seen it since they boxed it up in the store. So let's go ahead and open up this beauty. I love Fendi ever since I was in Greece last year and I got my Fendi backpack. I have loved Fendi, and I think that Fendi is very popular right now, and they are just beautiful bags. I looked at the peekaboos while I was in there. They're gorgeous. I would love to have a peekaboo. Okay, so it comes in this gorgeous Fendi box. I love the mustard yellow. That's one of my favorite colors. And it has the magnetic closure. I love boxes like this because I can find uses for them. So let's go ahead and open it up. I am just so excited, you guys, and I tend to be a bit rambly when I'm excited. Okay, so here it is, the Fendi dust bag. Oh, and it has a wonderful cord. I love drawstring dust bags. Okay, here it is, you guys. I found my red bag. I am so excited. Is this not a gorgeous bag? And I don't think that you will see this bag on every street corner. I love it. This is called the Fendi Can I F bag. And like I said, I have looked at this bag for months now and looked for it online, but I only found it at Farfetch, and I wanted to actually see it in person, and I was so shocked. And I wanted to tell you guys that the SA told my husband and showed him on a computer that this is one of 34 bags in the United States. I am thrilled, beyond thrilled, because I love to have things that are different. And it's red, but it's not all the way red. It has the Fendi logo, but it's not covered in logo. I think this is so gorgeous, and it also comes with a shoulder strap. So it has a magnetic closure. It's very strong. It has the beautiful gray suede on the inside, and it has the shoulder strap, and it's wide, so this should be really comfortable. And I just, like I said, I was not really shopping for a bag, and when I saw this, my husband really liked it. They have also a can-eye bag with the scallops. I guess you guys have seen those if you're familiar with the Fendi can-eye bags. And I really liked the red one, but Keith really liked this one. And here it is with the strap. And the lady in the store said you just put the strap on it and just leave this one on. But I think she had that in front. I'm not sure, but it doesn't bother me either way. I am absolutely obsessed with this bag. It is so soft. I wish you guys could feel the leather on this bag, how soft it is. Moving right along, and I will try to make this quick. I hate to have, you know, my videos to run too long, but this is a very large bag. What do you guys think is in it? Oh my goodness, you guys. When I don't plan for things, it seems to be that's when things happen. Now, I got this at Saks Fifth Avenue. And the lady that bagged it up, a lovely lady that I see there quite often when I go, was there, and she wanted to run downstairs and get me some new ribbon because they still had the Christmas ribbon. I said, that is totally fine, but I have to admit, this is an impulse purchase. Let's go ahead and see what is in this big bag. So she just put some tissue paper over it. There's no box, because they had a display of these bags, and when I walked by and saw this, my heart almost stopped. It is Christian Louboutin. I'm not really crazy about this dust bag. It feels like burlap or something, but that's okay because what's important is what's inside. And I saw a display of these. They come in all different colors, and when I saw this, I was like, I'm getting that. And we went shopping into some other stores, and I kept thinking about it, and I came back to it, and I told Keith, I said, I absolutely have to have this bag. So what started out as a shopping trip to find a belt ended up in me purchasing, or my husband purchasing, 2 bags, not one, but 2. And I didn't get a belt, but that's okay. I'm having a bit of a struggle to get this thing out of here. Okay, so I ended up getting this gorgeous, oh my goodness, I can't get it out. There it is. This gorgeous tote. How gorgeous is this? I love it. I love the gray. I love the spikes on it and the red. This reminds me so much of my Louis Vuitton Epi leather Neverfull that I love so much. And of course it has the red bottom. Is that not gorgeous? I have been wanting to repurchase the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in Damier Ebene with the red interior. If you guys watch my channel, you know that I sold the one with the pink ballerine interior, and I have not been able to get my mind off repurchasing that Louis Vuitton Neverfull. But you see it everywhere, and that's what bothers me. I love it, and I know you see it everywhere because it is a fabulous bag. But when I saw this, I thought it's different. It is equivalent to the size of the Neverfull, and that is the perfect size tote in my opinion. So when I saw this, I absolutely died, and I think this is called the, let me look on my phone and tell you guys what the name of this bag is. It is the, I believe, Cabata, let's see, Christian Louboutin Cabata East-West Tote. So I absolutely love it. It comes in so many colors, and they had them on display, all the different colors, but the gray just really spoke to me. And she went down and got me a brand new one, of course. And I am going to need a organizer. I ordered an organizer from Amazon and I absolutely did not like it. So those of you that have an organizer for a Louis Vuitton Neverfull, what organizer would you suggest that I get for this bag? Because it is just like my Epi Neverfull. There's no pocket and it's just a big open hole. So I definitely need an organizer, and it, like the Neverfull, it comes with a pouch. I love this pouch. The leather is so soft and gorgeous. This would be a perfect little evening tote. You could take it you know, out to dinner or to the grocery store running errands if you don't want to carry a big bag. So, you know, just like the Neverfull, you get the pouch. But I would like to ask you guys for suggestions. What kind of organizer would be best? I don't want one that is too bulky, because I did order one off Amazon. It was really bulky and I just didn't like it at all. So I want something you know, to give me a bit of organization but not too much bulk. This leather is so soft, you guys. This is a fabulous tote, and hopefully this will take my mind off the Neverfull that I have been wanting to repurchase, simply for the fact that I like to have something a bit different. Okay, so that is it for my double unboxing. So much for the belt. If you guys enjoyed this video and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys again next week. Bye-bye.